Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's Mississippi's Chief Meteorologist, Matt Lobheim.
Beautiful but cloudy, so I guess beautiful is a temperature reading, the fact that it's not blistering hot, cloudy, but dry today as temperatures still hold on to the 70s next few hours here. It might actually head back again into the 60s by early tomorrow morning under what should be the partly cloudy skies. Now, where those clouds do linger, some spots still might be low 70s, but those east winds, kind of northeast winds that we've had, those are continuing to keep us relatively dry as far as any precipitation is concerned the next couple of days. As you can see here on Futurecast through the night, again, mostly dry conditions. One thing I just think it's underdoing, and this tends to happen with our HRRR model here, is it does sometimes tend to kind of underdo the cloud cover somewhat. And so you can see here how we do see a resurgence of cloud cover by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning on your early Wednesday morning, but it does not have a ton of that on the Mississippi side. I think that's underdone. And I think that's important because it's underdone, because that will then overinflate temperatures a little bit. All that to say, look at how the cloud cover increases by noontime. This is those puffy cumulus clouds, but I think it'll be thicker than that, including some of those stratus clouds out here for Corinth, perhaps Amory, Aberdeen, West Point, maybe as far west as even Tupelo as we head toward even through midday on Wednesday. Now those should start breaking up a little bit from west to east, and we'll have some of those puffy cumulus clouds. Notice here on Futurecast, we do not see much in the way of precipitation. I expect most of us dry, the vast majority of us dry. From 71 at 7 a.m. on the average there, we're 88 by noon, 89 for the high temperature and highs. Again, somewhere in the upper 80s to maybe low 90s. We'll still have heat indices 95 or greater in the Mississippi Delta, so certainly near the Alabama state line, vastly different than locations back to the west. We're 91 for Thursday, 92 by Friday. Rain chances not zero, but really 10% or less the next few days, increasing a bit more into this upcoming weekend, especially by Sunday. I think most of us still probably missing out on Saturday as well. MSLiveweather.com tracks those storms, tracks those showers, tracks that heat, no matter where you're at. And of course, right here in the Mississippi Live Weather app.
You need some help?
Your tow chains are a little loose. Could spark a wildfire. I could show you how to secure them properly if you'd like.
Sure. Thanks a lot.
Anytime. You should check out SmokeyBear.com. They've got a bunch of tips on wildfire prevention.
Only you can prevent wildfires.
I'm an ex-drug dealer, and I'll be your sub today. 2 milligrams of fentanyl can be lethal. A lethal dose is in here. Who gets it, I won't know.
It's cheap, it's potent, and it's profitable.
The sad reality is, fentanyl is being mixed into everything now.
More kitchen now.